Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sector. Here we will discuss Kerala Physics at Exam previous year questions. So our planning section will be subject-based discussion. Here we will take four previous four of previous year question papers at once and discuss questions from same subject at a time. So this way we will be able to concentrate on one subject thoroughly and then shift into next subject. So that will help you understand the concept thoroughly. So that's our aim. So in one video or one class, there will be 5 to 10 questions, and we will solve these questions with the help of standard textbooks. Okay. Now the nature of questions in set exam. There are so many direct questions in your set exam. It may not seem direct, but some questions may not seem direct, but they are actually direct questions. Some results of some standard problems or something like that, or equation for some like Poisson bracket identity, commutator bracket identity, like that. And there are some involving problem solving. There are this even though they involve problem solving, they are also fairly simple questions or somewhat lightly difficult questions. With a basic understanding of the concepts, one could easily answer those questions. Okay, so don't, there are a few hard questions, and you don't need to worry about that. It's actually fairly simple, or with a little effort, one can easily master this skill, problem solving skills, and solve these questions. So we'll split our discussion by starting with mathematical physics, and then we'll go to classical mechanics. After that, we'll go to quantum mechanics, and like that. This order may change, but we will approach this problem solving this chapter wise or subject wise. So you may have questions about resource materials, like first thing is question papers. Question, you can download this question papers from LBS's official site or set exams official site LBS, and I will provide the link with this video. And next thing, textbooks. The textbooks, you don't need to have the advanced textbooks of these subjects. For example, in the case for mathematics physics, you have advanced engineering mathematics by Jain and Iyengar. And for quantum mechanics, it is by quantum mechanics textbook by Setley. And for classical mechanics, Upadhyay's textbook is the one needed because you don't need any more advanced books for this. And for electrodynamics, Griffiths is the only one needed. As far as this exam is concerned, the general textbooks that we use for studying your PhD or undergraduate courses sufficient. Let's see the next class. Thank you.